Hey everyone, welcome back to another talk here on Finance Free TV. I've been looking forward to sharing this one with you, because it changed the way I approach every goal in my life. For the past few days, I couldn't stop thinking about this topic. I kept imagining how powerful it would be if you truly understood it. Because this is not just another motivational lesson, it's a clear, step-by-step formula to get whatever you want. And I mean anything. Your goals, your dreams, even the small things you've been delaying for years. When you hear what I'm about to share, you'll realize success doesn't come from luck, it comes from structure. So make sure you stay till the end, because I promise, the best part comes later. Let's get right into it. The formula I'm about to show you is made of 4 simple steps. You'll see how easy it is once you apply it in your own life. I'll walk you through 2 examples. One about health, one about money, so you can see how it works in any situation. Alright, let's start with something we can all relate to, improving our body. Imagine there's a guy named Tim. Tim's been feeling tired, sluggish, and unhappy with his weight. He climbs a few stairs and loses his breath. He knows something has to change, but doesn't know where to start. If you were Tim, what would you want? Simple, you'd want to lose weight and feel strong again. That's the first step, define exactly what you want. It sounds easy, but most people never do it clearly. They say, I want to be better, but never define what better means. So step 1 is, decide clearly what you want, and write it down. In this case, it's, I want to lose weight. Once you know your goal, we move to step 2. Step 2, list the 5 most important actions that can get you there. Don't overthink, just brainstorm. If you want to lose weight, what are 5 essential things to do? First, stop eating junk food. Second, start exercising. Third, eat clean, balanced meals. Fourth, sleep early. And fifth, avoid sitting too long. That's it. Just 5 actions that directly connect to your goal. Now, put them in order from easiest to hardest. Maybe the easiest is standing up every 30 minutes. Then sleeping early. Then reducing snacks. Then exercising. And finally, following a diet plan, that's usually the toughest one. This brings us to step 3, the map. Every journey needs a map, and this one shows exactly how to move from one step to the next. Think of your progress like the roots of a tree, starting deep, growing upward. Begin with the easiest task first. Once that becomes natural, add the next one, while still keeping the first habit alive. Over time, you'll be maintaining multiple positive habits without stress. That's how your roots grow stronger, one habit feeding the next. I've done this myself, and it works like magic. When you take things step by step, you stop feeling overwhelmed. And before you know it, your momentum builds naturally. But we're not done yet. Step 4 is what I call the secret weapon, time. Time is your greatest ally in this entire process. Most people treat time like an enemy, they rush, they panic, they quit too soon. But when you see time as a friend, everything becomes easier. Let me explain. If I had to finish a complex report in one day, I'd be stressed, exhausted, and the result would be poor. But if I had 1 week, I could break it down, work calmly, and produce something great. That's the power of time. So when you apply this to your goals, give each action enough time to grow. Maybe spend 1 week focusing on not sitting too long. The next week, add sleeping early, while still keeping the first habit. Then, week by week, stack 1 new behavior at a time. Soon, all 5 will become part of your daily rhythm. You won't even think about it anymore, it'll be automatic. And when that happens, your results will start showing naturally. You'll lose weight, feel sharper, more confident, more alive. All because you respected time, rather than fighting against it. Now, let's move on to something everyone wants, money. Let's say there's a woman named Lisa. She works full-time, but her salary barely covers her bills. She wants more freedom, more breathing room, maybe to start a small online business. If you were Lisa, what would you want? Simple, you'd want to make an extra income, maybe an extra $200 each month to start. That's step 1, define the goal. Now, step 2, list the 5 key actions to reach it. 1. Find a product to sell. 2. Find where to buy or source that product. 3. Create a small online shop or social media page. 4. Learn basic advertising and marketing. 5. Learn how to talk to customers and close sales. Simple list, right? Now arrange them from easy to hard. Start with finding what to sell, it's just research. Then look for suppliers. Then open your online store. Then learn marketing. Finally, practice selling and closing deals. Now we go to step 3 again, build your map. Do the easiest first. Spend a week or 2 just learning about trending products, reading, and watching others succeed. Then spend another week finding suppliers and testing small purchases. Next, set up your shop, Facebook, Shopee, or any platform you like. And as you progress, keep maintaining what you've already learned. Each level adds more strength to your roots. You'll notice your confidence growing with every week. And when you start promoting and selling, it feels natural, not scary. Now we apply step 4 again, use time wisely. Give yourself 2 weeks for each stage. Don't rush, don't skip. Remember, every skill compounds. After a few weeks, you'll look back and realize how much you've built. Your shop is running, your skills are stronger, and you're earning money you once thought impossible. And the best part? You did it calmly, steadily, without burnout. That's the true secret, to build roots before you chase fruits. When you give your goals time and steady attention, they grow on their own. So please, stay with me till the end of this video, because the next videos on Finance Free TV will go even deeper. I'll show you how to multiply results and turn these habits into lifelong wealth and freedom. We post new videos every single day, so don't miss out. Remember this formula, define what you want, list your actions, build your map, and use time as your ally. Do that, and you'll soon realize, you can truly get whatever you want.